This video is just introducing the new Novus controller. It's the N20K48. It's really a fantastic bit of kit. Low profile, everything's clearly identified, wiring wise, removable terminal block. It's a great device. It can do as much or as little as you want. So if you just buy the base model, it doesn't come with the dock which clips on the back. We're going to cover that in a separate video. But really you get your pulse output and you get your relay. So for temperature control, you can connect your solid state relay as we've done, connect your input. You've got an alarm facility there on the relay if you want it. But really it will work as a great temperature controller straight out of the box. And all we've done today is we've downloaded the QuickTune app from the Apple Store. We've put in a configuration that took under a minute and sent it via Bluetooth to the device, and it's up and running now, as you can see. So it can be very, very simple. Please don't get overwhelmed by it. Yes, you can have analog outputs for control. You can put in digital inputs as well, connection via Wi-Fi, all these great things which require the additional modules which do alter the depth. But if you buy the base model, it's a very powerful, nice looking controller.